Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to split your videos in CapCut PC. So let's get started. So here we are in CapCut. And now from here, what we're going to do is basically we would want to split this clip. So what we're going to do is select the clip right here and position your playhead to wherever you want to split the clip. So let's say we want it here at the middle right here and wanna just split the clip, then you can click here. But if you automatically want to delete the left side of this clip right here, then you can click here. And if you want the right side, then you can just click here, right here, click here on the delete right. And as you can see, the right is immediately deleted, and now the left is the one that is left. And yeah, that is basically how you can just do it. And you can just extend it again if you want to. Right here, you can extend it again and it would be the same, or you can just go for Control Z so that you can restore it. And that is basically how you can split your videos in CapCut PC. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.